Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so just had a saxophone donation dropped off at my school, so I thought I would check it out and see how it plays. I've already got everything put together. Might be a bit out of tune. I did not test the tuning on it yet. And wow, G sharp. If you're going to do that A scale, you need F sharps. C sharps and G sharps. Let's try that one again. All right, and the B flat scale. I'm using the side B flat, which is your primary B flat. A little squeaky. Keep wanting to do a C sharp or the D flat. It is a concert D flat, but it's not a D flat on saxophone. It is an E flat, D plus your pinky. And let's try a C scale. I'm going to start on our regular C, go up an octave, back down, and then I'm going to try to work my way down to the low C. All right. Well, it's a donation instrument. It's working very well. Reed's a little off center. I'll fix that before my classes start. Thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.